All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all the good cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, how it's been going down 10%. Bitcoin is down 10%. The whole entire crypto market is down. The stocks are down. What's going on? Is this the time to actually position? Have you been all waiting for this particular time? We're going to go through the top 10. I mean, there's just a lot of the down right now. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Also, one of my visions is for every single person on the planet to actually have cryptocurrency. And as this happens with AMC accepting cryptocurrency and Sheetz gas station accepting cryptocurrency, I think every day it's going to get a little bit closer to everybody having that cryptocurrency. But today we're talking about the stocks and the cryptocurrency being down. Let's go ahead and switch over to the top 10. All right. Let's take a look at this. I mean, Bitcoin's at 42,000. I mean, and it was at over 50,000 a little bit ago. And Bitcoin is actually down 6.88%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 10%. The market is down and crashing right now. Ethereum is down 11% in the last 24 hours. Literally, Tether is down just slightly. Cardano is down 8.41% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin is down 12.3% in the last 24 hours. XRP is down 11% in the last 24 hours. Solana is down 9.24% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot is down 14.74% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is down 10%. I mean, Doge is at 20 cents. If you wanted to position, 20 cents, you've been waiting for this. Again, on your calculations, if you've been watching the Dogecoin, it's now at 20 cents. Everybody always talks about literally buying the dip. I mean, if you have your few cryptocurrencies, I just went through the top 10. Almost everybody is negative right now. This is your time to reposition. Now remember, we do this channel for educational purposes only, but do you want to get in when everything's up, or do you want to get in when it's going down? I don't know. We're going to figure this out today. Okay, talking about some things here. Avalanche is still up at 6.44%, but Avalanche is down in the last 24 hours, 15%. Uniswap is down 13%. Bitcoin Cash is down 12%. Shiba Inu is actually down 12.31% in the last 24 hours. AMP coin is actually down 13%. I mean, AMP right here is at literally almost, I mean, it's 4 cents. 0416. I mean, so right now, this could be the time that everybody's been waiting for. Right here, the global crypto market is at 1.85 trillion. The global market is down almost 11% in the last 24 hours. What is going on? All right, here at CNBC, the Bitcoin drops as much as 10% as risky assets tumble globally. This is talking about the Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin dropped sharply Monday as investors began shedding the global market decline. Many people have argued that Bitcoin is the most useful and the safe haven asset. Down to narrate. It says Bitcoin has lost as much as 10% on Monday. It's actually down. It says 43,000. We know right now that it's at 42,000. We're going to go to that right now too. This sell-off is a well-established pattern. Well traders cash in on risky assets to cover marginal calls and sit on the sidelines until the market calms down. They feel more comfortable going back in a riskier position. If ever Bitcoin had the opportunity to establish itself as a safe haven or digital gold, which U.S. companies also signaling this earning calls are going to reveal poor results, now feel like the time. I mean, 10% down. All right, we're over here at Robinhood, and we just wanted to kind of go through a good amount of cryptocurrencies right here. First one's going to be Bitcoin. I mean, literally at $42,000 1 week ago. I mean, this was at 48,000, 49,000. Right now, 42,004. So Bitcoin is down right now a lot. I mean, it says 10% in the last 24 hours. But the whole crypto market, everything. Bitcoin Cash, take a look at this, $535. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is down. 1 week ago, it was at $640. It's down $100 in literally in 24 hours here. And again, I normally don't go through all these, but every one of these is just down so much. Dogecoin is down to 20 cents. Again, look at a week ago. It was at 24 cents. It was 25 cents. It's down to 20 cents right now. If you were ever thinking about getting back into positioning on some of your coins, this could be the time to do it. Litecoin's at $158. I mean, like literally, this coin was at $200 just literally September 6th of this month. I mean, so the prices are going down, down, down. I mean, if you kind of, again, look at your charts and stuff, I mean, what's going to happen here? I mean, it seems like things are stabilizing. I mean, they go down, but then they do go back up. So this could be a good time. I know everybody's looking at this, but you know, one of the things back over here, it says Bitcoin traded earlier this month at over 50,000 earlier this month, topping the resistant level. Now, however, you know, we know that Bitcoin is at 42,400. So, I mean, that's absolutely mind-blowing right there. All right, we're over here at Investors Business Daily, and it's talking about, take a look at this right here. On Monday, the Dow Jones Industry Average divided by 1.8%. The S&P 500 tumbled 1.7%, while the NASDAQ plunged 2.2%, even after pairing some losses. The tech-heavy NASDAQ broke down through its top to its key 50-day support level. Among the Dow Jones leader, Apple actually fell 2.1%. Microsoft actually is down almost 2% as one of the stocks. Tesla right here basically slid by 4% today. I mean, literally, Nvidia fell by 2.2%. You know, here's one of the things that they could say. Monday's stock market weakness came because of the fear of the property development of the China Evergrande Group. The investors increasingly believe that the Evergrande fails to inflict the losses of the shareholders and the bondholders, according to the Wall Street Journal. The company's debt burden is the biggest for any publicly traded real estate management or development company in the world. Among the traded funds, it dropped 2.6% Monday. The NASDAQ 100 tracker. You know, again, the NASDAQ broke down sharply below its 50-day line Mondays, adding a selling pressure to the major stock index. The S&P 500 broke support at this level Friday, with the Dow Jones Industry Average hit its lowest level since June of 21st. You know, again, so looking at this, the stocks are down, the crypto's down, everything's down. You know, if you're actually into buying cryptocurrency and positioning yourself, I mean, this could be a good time to basically reposition into your favorite coins. We go through the top 10 all the time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Literally, cryptocurrency, we talked about it a month ago, that you need to strap in and literally hold on to your seats, because the ride with cryptocurrency, that literally everything can happen in one day. It can go up 50%, it can come down 100%, it can go to the right, it can go to the left. I mean, literally, and you literally, it's a stressful kind of thing. So there are certain people right now that are very, very upset that things are down right now. There are certain people right now that are repositioning themselves and getting their average cost of the stocks actually down with the 10%. So stay tuned. We're going to be launching videos every single day, Monday through Friday, again at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, we do it around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, bringing you all kinds of news of cryptocurrency. So, I don't know, all kinds of good information going on with cryptocurrency. The market happens to be down right this second. Could be a good time to reposition. So, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a freaking fantastic day, and we'll see you later.